give you a 30-second warning. And start when you're ready.
Hello, I'm Stephen. I'm Chair of Societies Committee. I stand in front of you as a man who doesn't want to be here. As Societies Committee, we'd much rather all focus on the good and help our societies be the best in the world. However, if we had stayed quiet, this motion would have passed without issue. Charlie relied on his position of power to convince you that this is a normal way of doing things. I want it to be clear, this is not a normal way of doing things. The lack of consultation is a huge issue and not one we can overlook. A month ago, no student ignoring officers had seen this document. If this passes, we'll have a document created by a handful of people, only one of whom was elected by you, and it will be applied to hundreds of groups. Throughout this process, the Opportunities Officer has shown utter contempt for you and those you represent. They claim to consult Societies Committee. In reality, they met 2 members of the committee once and ignored their advice. I represented Societies Committee Academic Societies last year, and I heard about this motion 2 weeks ago. The thousands of students I represent have had no consultation whatsoever until we came to publicly oppose it. This is fucking absurd! This is absurd! In your common room, or your association, or your society exec, that one of your members came to you with a 20-page motion a few days before a meeting and hadn't talked to anyone about it and wanted to restrict their rights based on that. Would you just accept that, or would you vote on that, or would you ask them to go back and talk to members about the issues that it has? That's what we propose. Vote no, and we'll make sure student groups are consulted. We'll fix this policy, remove some of its teeth, talk to students, and then in December we'll propose what this policy should have been in the first place. Vote no, and we'll do that.